In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change border color in FigJam. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what each option does so your shapes look clean, consistent, and easy to read. First, open your browser and head to figma.com, then sign into your account. You'll land on the Figma home screen. From here, open FigJam by clicking the FigJam option, or jump straight into a recent FigJam board if you see the one you want in your recents. This gets you into the collaborative whiteboard where we'll make the change. Once your FigJam file is open, click on any shape you want to update. This could be a rectangle, circle, sticky note, or another object you've added to the canvas. When a shape is selected, you'll see a contextual toolbar appear, usually along the top of the screen. That toolbar provides quick access to visual settings for the selected object, and it's where we'll change the border. In that toolbar, look for the line style control. It typically shows a small icon representing the border, and it might look like a solid line, a dashed line, or a line with a slash if the border is off. Click it to open the line style options. This is the control that manages the appearance of the border, sometimes called the stroke. You'll see three main choices: solid, dashed, or none. Solid gives you a continuous outline, which is great for standard shapes and clear boundaries. Dashed creates a broken outline that can help indicate something is tentative or secondary. None removes the outline altogether, letting the shape rely solely on its fill color. Choose the style that fits your design intent. Right below these style options, you'll find the color swatches for the border. Click the color you want, and your selection updates instantly on the shape. If your team uses shared colors, you may see brand or theme swatches here, which is helpful for consistency. For emphasis, pick a bold, high-contrast color. For a subtle look, choose a neutral tone that complements the fill. A couple of quick tips as you work. The changes you make apply to the currently selected shape, so keep an eye on what's highlighted. If the border disappears after choosing none, that's expected. Just switch back to solid or dashed and pick a color to restore it. And if you make a mistake, use undo to step back. That's it. You've changed the border color in FigJam by opening your file, selecting a shape, opening the line style, picking solid, dashed, or none, and choosing the color from the swatches below.